Clad in the NRM party colors and chanting slogans in praise of Evelyn Anite, this large crowd held processions in Koboko Municipality after receiving an ambulance donated by their area member of parliament. Anite and other senior government officials have continued to violate the health guidelines on COVID-19, drawing criticism from other political players. Today, Anite apologized after being nominated by the party Electoral Commission.
Because they could not expect. And so I apologize on behalf of my people that they broke the COVID-19 rules. And I apologize to our president and to all the citizens that this was very unfortunate, but it triggered an excitement.
Her political rival, Charles Sayume, whose supporters also later held a similar procession, says their action was in retaliation.
With all fairness, when you looked at the community, they were saying, okay, if you can have a procession on Saturday, then that means on Sunday we can also have a procession. For me, it was still against, I'm a doctor, so it was against the guidelines of COVID, social distancing, and what we stand for in the health sector.
Among others nominated is James Chayaho Maleka and Mafabi Gidudu to represent the elderly in eastern Uganda.
And then is given a meager 25,000 shillings. I think this is unfair to the old people, and we would like to try and improve the lives of older persons.
Through legislation, the boards should have at least someone who is 60 and above. That is important. Presidential advisors.
Ministers Jane Ruth Acheng, Beatrice Anywa and Deputy Speaker Jacob Olanya also satisfied the Electoral Commission requirements for nomination.
And with the exposure I have and the connections I have, I definitely have to bring in people who will look at what the city can offer to them in terms of commercial and industrialization.
Time was we are agitating for peace, for return to our homes. It is done. Now we are agitating for development. Where do we get development? Where do I get development? I can only get development from a sitting government of NRM.
The first time, I have been able to lay a firm foundation that is going to fasten the progress in the district. So
we'll have to ensure that our production system is organized in groups where we can control quality, where we can control quantity. And I intend to continue with my representation, with my oversight role, with the issues of budgeting in the parliament and lawmaking.
The NRM nomination exercise continues tomorrow. Habad Ziwa, NTV.